10078 Oak Ridge Drive. Today is June 2nd. Doing an interior inspection. I'm going to clear out access in the garage. Push out to the house shop. We're going to pull back from here. This is a plastic interior line.